Jane! Jane! Where's my wine on the table?
I treated her when I was...
You did what? Are you mad? My expensive wine, are you crazy? Is something wrong with you?
But the wine was almost...
And so? Is this something you can afford? No, all your salary, can you buy it? Can your father buy it? No, answer me, can your father buy it? Can your generations, can your ancestors buy it?
See, Oga, you see this one way you do?
Are you talking back at me?
No try am, no try and say they insult my papa. Oh. No try am. I go wound you, no try am. Oh.
You wound you? Are you mad? Are you talking back at me?
You even get lost and talk back at me.
Are you crazy?
They crazy. You dey crazy. You insult my papa, you slap me and not talk anything. You insult my papa. That one no, you can't do on top the insulting generation. Wetin happen? They swear for you. Say they stay for your papa house, they make you go and insult my own papa. How much be the money when I get? See, you know wetin happen eh? I go break your head though. I go break your head.
Leave this house.
Which house?
You slapped me.
If you talk again, I go give you another one. If you talk again, I go give you front and back. They crazy. What they do you?
Leave this house.
Which house? You get anybody where they talk?
I said leave this house. Are you crazy?
You get any other person where they talk? Which house? See, make I tell you. Now your papa glory deal. Moto, now your papa get am. House, now your papa get am. You were lazy fool. Now you be lazy fool. Where I even live? Wetin I dey here they do? Work when I will even stop. You know wetin happen? Boo you, boo your papa, boo the work. I no do again. Take. Useless. And never finish. Take. They do the work. Useless. You. How much be the money when they pay me?
Betty. Mommy, where did you go to now?
You don't ready to go back soon?
Yes, so let me hurry before it gets late.
So you see the money where I leave for you for on top table?
Yes, I see. Thank you. Sorry.
Just manage jam. Everything will be alright, you hear? Everything will be alright.
But mommy, where did you go?
My pikin. No landlord place I go. I go beg him. Make you forgive us more time to pay.
Did you agree?
Maybe small thing, oh. He agree, oh. He say, make I no let the money too, make it no too tay. Make I try to pay small. The man try for me today, oh. I come from there, come go me that. You know that boy will help Mama Bola get work. I go beg him. Make he help me. Make he help me get work too. Say myself I need help. He promised me. He said before 1 week, he go help me get work.
That's good though.
You see, say I waka where? My waka good.
Me, I'm even thinking safe. Maybe after my exams, I can go and thank him.
When you come back, go do that one. For now. Oh yeah, time don't they go. Carry your bag. Make you know late. You hear? No say hold up the too much.
I'll see you.
Take care of yourself from you.
Oh, mommy, see me off now.
Let me see you.
Jane is not taking her calls. It's getting dark. Jane hasn't returned. Where are you going?
Am I a child that you'll be asking me that question?
You know, Denzel, why are you so stupid and arrogant? As far as you live under my roof, you must inform me of your whereabouts. Did Jane tell you she won't be coming back today?
Jane, she's not coming back now.
And what do you mean by that?
Because I sacked her. I sent her away.
You did what?
And now, she was disrespecting me here. She poured my wine away and then she had the guts to... See, I've sacked her. Do you have anything else to say?
You sacked Janet?
Daddy, good night.
Denzel, why are you sleeping by this time of the day? Are you sick? Young man.
Oh, why would you just barge into my room like this now?
What time of the day is it?
I don't care. Am I supposed to be dancing? Please.
Listen to me, go downstairs. Clean up everywhere and make breakfast.
What's the meaning of this now? I don't have time for your dry jokes, please.
Since you had the impetus to sack the house help, you should be able to do her job.
Am I supposed to just stand and watch her disrespect me?
Disrespect you? How many times have you disrespected me? I have watched you disrespect me over time. I've been magnanimous enough to tolerate your excesses. I didn't throw you away. So why sack her? You have to do her job. And most importantly, I have decided to freeze your account. Henceforth, no money.
Don't try to. Daddy, don't try to.
Oh, I see. Watch me do it. Watch me then.
You just be threatening someone up and down. Don't try to.
Stupid boy.
Don't try to. You are the one that brought me to this life. You cater for me. Which one is you freeze my account? Let me see you try it.
Sochi, how far? How far, Sochi? I beg, I need house help. ASAP. Fine with it. I don't sack down or come out house, Jerry. You dey mad? Knock with you believe I go touch that kind of woman? I beg, find me house girl ASAP. Between 100k to 150k, sha. Make you no pass that one. But yeah, no, I believe you. What thing I'll chop like this, so like outside.
Good afternoon, sir. Good afternoon, sir.
Who are you?
My name is Nagata and I may be your new house help.
I asked for a house help, not a nanny.
Oga, I never too old. Now condition make crayfish bend. You see this work, I sabi am well. Even as I dey now, I get work for hand. But because this one the money better pass, that's why I come.
Can you cook?
Nigerian food Oyibo food America, China.
Hey! Did Sochi tell you how much your salary is?
In talk saying 120,000.
You know you'll be living here.
He been talk that one no. But I tell and say I feel they come from house.
Okay, forget about the job.
No, Oga. I go make I go pack my things, come stay here. I dey come, Oga. I dey come. Thank you, sir. Thank you. I dey come. No.
Who are you?
Good afternoon.
afternoon, sir.
Good afternoon. What are you doing in my house?
Oh, now you be Oga Denzel, Papa. I don't see the face.
Madam, I asked a question. What are you doing here?
No vex, sir. Now me be the new house girl. My name Nagata. Welcome, sir.
See, you chased Jane away and brought a replacement. Oh, Denzel. Okay.
I don't cook finish, oh. Food done ready. Make I bring and give you.
I'm not hungry. Where is he?
He don't tell when he come up for house this afternoon. He never come back.
As usual. Very stupid boy.
Might keep the food for table.
Don't bother, I'm not hungry.
My bring fruit. Hey. I hope I never enter. Oh. This one where this man they do faith for me like this. I be like because nobody employ me. Oh God, this will make you come back home. I cannot see the happen. Oh.
Denzel, where are you coming from? I asked a question. Where are you coming from? You know what? Your attitude is becoming something else. You are the most disgraceful entity I've ever come across in my entire life. Who do you think you are? Who gave birth to you? What manner of son are you?
An apple does not fall far from the tree.
Will you shut up before I descend on you?
A lion cannot give birth to snake.
I said shut up! You're a disgrace. A fool! Your mother will be turning and tossing in her grave over what you've become. A vagabond. You see? You reek of alcohol. Your mates are out there working, toiling. All you do is drink and misbehave.
At least mommy is not here to witness it.
I'm ashamed of you. You see that maid you employed? You will definitely pay her salary because she's not on my payroll.
But you were the one paying the rude one now. So why is it my turn to pay this?
I paid her because I employed her. You employed this one, so you're going to pay her. Okay?
Just this morning, you said this is your house, this is your house. It's time to pay now, you're pushing it to me.
I said you are going to pay her salary. You employed her, pay her. Whenever you want to fire her, you will have to reconsider because you're the one paying her. Get out of my sight. Get out of my sight, you idiot. A nitwit, a fool. I'm so ashamed of you, Denzel. I'm ashamed of you.
Where did they go?
And who are you?
Oh, now me be the new house girl for this house.
How can you be so shameless? You look at yourself up and down. You call yourself a girl? Are you a house girl or a housewoman? Eh? Anyway, I don't blame you. It's not Lagos. Any fool is just doing anything for money.
You still never answer my question, no. I say who you dey find for here?
I'm here to see my boyfriend, Denzel.
Oh, yeah, sit down for them. Make I go tell and say person they find out.
Come, this man, are you alright? I should sit down where? I told you I'm here to see my boyfriend. This is my boyfriend's house. Who are you?
Wait. Babe, you said you were going to be here 30 minutes ago. Now, what's happening?
Is it not this old woman that has kept me here for more than 30 minutes now, self?
What?
She said I'm not going anywhere. I have to sit down here and wait for you.
Agatha, is that true? Are you mad?
Oh, God, no be so it happen, no. I just...
Hey, if I hear one more thing from you, you will face the wall. Babe, I'm sorry, okay? I'm sorry. Let's go upstairs.
No. I'm only going to accept your apology on one condition, that you deal with this woman. Punish her.
Babe, now.
I'll leave you.
You heard that. Oh, yeah, kneel down. Okay. Go wipe your slippers for it now. Come, baby.
And she must be like this until,
No, that,
until I leave.
Don't worry, they're not born away. Make you stand up. Not try, Amo.
Welcome, Oga. Welcome, Oga.
Madam Agatha, what is going on? Why are you kneeling down?
Now, small Oga say make I kneel down.
And what's the meaning of that? Where is he?
He dey in room.
Where is that idiot? Come here. Tell me who raised you?
Daddy, where did you know?
Who raised you, young man? Why would you ask a woman old enough to be your mother to kneel down? Under my roof?
Why would you? You didn't even know.
Will you just shut up? Now, get out. Out! And now tell me, what could she have done to warrant such disrespect?
But Daddy, why are you harassing me because of a common cleaner now?
She is better than you are. She's a million times better than you, fool. Have you ever earned a dime in your life? Can you fend for yourself? I buy virtually everything you need, including your underwears. You can't even buy a shaving stick to shave your pubic hair. An idiot! Listen to me. It must never happen again. Get out of my sight. Stand.
Thank you, Oga.
Now listen to me. This must never happen again. Okay? I don't know what is wrong with that idiot. Don't allow this kind of degradation again. Okay?
Okay, sir.
Get the door.
Okay. Betty. Lock the door.
Good afternoon, sir.
Good afternoon, my dear. How are you?
Oga, now my only pikin be this. Her name na Betty.
Oh my God. Your daughter?
Yes, sir.
Oh, come greet me. How are you?
Fine, sir.
Oh, she's all grown.
Thank you. Thank you, Oga.
You're welcome, my dear.
Thank you, sir.
Okay, let me allow you some good time with the daughter.
Okay, Oga. Thank you, sir.
See you later.
Yes, sir. Hey. Eh?
You didn't tell me that you've gotten a job.
Chibi knows I no get phone again. I no get phone now.
I was just surprised when I got home and saw the door locked. It was even Mama Bola that even showed me the person that got to the job.
No vex, my pikin. Chibi know say Oga landlord already tell us say make we pack comot. As if he say I no get the money, we no kukuma get anywhere to stay. I say make I kuku come collect the job. Make we from there see where we go to stay. Eh? No vex, eh?
She told
How
me.
your exam go?
It was fine.
I know say you go make me proud. Eh? See, this my Oga na better person, oh. A better person.
Mommy, how are you?
I don't find. Don't see where I do. Make we go make I find something for you to eat, eh? Yeah. Welcome, my pikin.
Oh, wait, oh. You mean say your popsy slap you because of ordinary house girl?
Am I speaking Chinese? Yes, he did.
No. I just want to confirm.
I just find it very surprising because he has not laid his hands on me before. This is like the very first time.
Yeah, I know. But you, Seth, why you go tell her that you machine it down?
So, when I tell you, say I define person, what did I tell you? I say I define house girl. You carry a elderly woman, give me anything where I see, make she face am now. I don't understand. Don't me they pay her salary.
Yes, but your popsy no see I'm that way. But bro, sometimes you need to pull yourself away from your dad's money and look at things from an average man perspective. Punishing that girl was the height of it.
Oh, now you they call am gay. No, now you they call am girl. No, wait, you they support my popsy.
No, that's not what I'm trying to say now.
No, wait, all this English way they speak now, you they support my popsy.
Such. Can you calm down?
Come on, my car.
Why? Will they go somewhere now?
Sochi, calm down.
Oh, wait, because of this small thing.
Sochi, calm down.
Okay.
In fact, I know even they go anywhere again. Maybe you go alone.
Everybody go make this money, oh. Now me will just continue the hustle. No wahala.
Sorry, who are you?
Good afternoon.
That's not the question I asked you. Who are you?
My name is Betty.
I didn't ask for your stupid name. Who are you and what are you doing here?
My mom, she works here.
I didn't employ 2 people. I employed 1 person. So what are you doing here?
I'm staying here with her.
Is this your mother's house?
Sir? Sir, you're welcome.
What is she doing here?
No, my pikin. She just finished her exam. She can't stay with me.
If I wake up tomorrow morning and she's still here, both of you will leave. You will lose your job. Nonsense.
Is that what you've been putting up with?
Leave am. Small pikin dey worry am.
Small pikin where? See him now. You don't see that guy. That guy is older than me.
Na by age. Na by age. You know say some people go grow tall past their sense. As they grow tall, their sense they grow short.
Now wow. Why is he now speaking to you like you are his child or something? Doesn't he have a mother? Eh?
Betty, don't do. He don't do. No let your mouth put you into trouble. Oh. Leave him. Before your mouth will put you inside trouble. When your papa come back, I go talk to him. I beg, don't do. Oh yeah, make we go inside, I beg. Make we go inside.
Thank you. Is there anything the matter?
Oga, get wetin I won't follow you talk.
Okay, go ahead.
Shebi, it say, you know, so I tell you, say, Betty na the only picking what I get for my life.
You said so?
I no get another picking. You know, say, before I collect this work, I dey owe my landlord. And I no get money pay am. The man be won't pursue me come out. Now he go come show me mercy. Come give me this work. And as this work come, you can't give me where to stay. As I dey here, today I no do anything, Oga. I no do anything. I no spoil anything. I no do anything before God and man. Now Oga Denzel just waka enter.
Don't call him Denzel. Say Denzel.
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 Oga, I don't hear. I don't hear. No vex.
Okay, go ahead.
Now you just waka enter. Come see my pikin. Begin para for me, begin para for me, begin para for me. Come they shout for me. Come they tell me say, if he wake up tomorrow morning, see my pikin for this house again, he go kick me and my pikin join. Come up for this house. Oga, where I won't go? Oga, I know say this work damn important. Betty na the only pikin I get. I know say I need this work, oh. But instead of me to pursue my pikin, myself, I go leave the work.
Madam Agatha, you need not worry, okay? Your daughter is going nowhere. It's my house.
Hey.
I decide who goes and who stays.
Hey.
Don't
Hey, Oga.
It's okay.
Oga.
Stand.
Hey, Oga. Hey.
Madam, stand.
Hey, I won't make any down for you where Oga. Oga, I won't kneel down for you where.
Please, stand.
Hey. Oga, thank you. Thank you, sir. Hey, you be better man. You be better man. God will bless you for me.
It's
Oga,
okay.
thank you.
It's okay.
Thank
It's
you.
okay. Get back
Thank
to
you,
work.
sir. Hey, Oga, thank you. Thank you. You don't know what you do for me now. God will bless you, Oga. Oga,
Amen.
thank you.
Amen. Get back to work.
God will bless you. God will bless you for me.
Can't I just have peace in this house?
You came back late last night.
Thank you for reminding me. Can I sleep now?
I'll be traveling to Abuja.
How many weeks are you going to be staying?
5.
Father Lord, thank you. What God cannot do doesn't exist. In fact, thank God.
5 days.
Oh, have a nice trip. Just go.
Denzel, you've always told me that you are a man, that you own the house and that you can take care of the house. The time has come for you to shoulder that responsibility. I'm leaving the house in your care. As for Madam Agatha's daughter,
You'll be fine.
let her be. Please, let her be. Her mother works here. She lives here. Her daughter has to stay with her. Let her be.
Have a nice trip. Have safe journey. God will keep you. Just bye-bye. Just get peace for this house. All fast, Ochi. More. If you don't get peace for this house now, also they travel like 5 weeks. Sorry, stay now 5 days. You see, if no be saying my papa, I for just the reason put rat poison for your food one day, make you just buy it. I beg you, guys, they drive me crazy. I rather they do birthday. Wait. I don't dey toast Rhoda small. True. Can just show face there. No lily. Could just come and disturb person sleep like say, I beg, John, may you not just come back safe, possible forever. You may not just die.
Mommy. Why are you not sleeping inside?
My pikin, I no fit go inside because I no fit lock door.
I don't understand.
Small oga go party. He never return. I no fit go inside. I go wait, make he come back, make I feel locked door.
Is he a child? Can't he do all these things by himself?
Na him papa say make I do am, make I just do am. Yeah.
Mommy, don't worry, I'll do it. You just go and rest. When he comes, I'll make sure the door is locked.
You sure?
Come.
Where you keep am?
On that pillow.
Okay, make I go drink and see whether I go fit sleep. Don't sleep too much, oh.
What's this one doing here? Fine girl. She's keen. Fine girl.
What are you doing?
Why are you asking me that stupid question? Come on, remove your clothes.
Leave me alone.
I said remove your clothes.
Are you crazy?
Before I count 3, remove those clothes. 1, 2, 3. Come on, lie down here.
Betty, now here you sleep. Ah, my oga no dey like am, my oga no dey like me person dey here dey. Betty, wetin happen? Wetin happen? Why you dey cry? Who beat you? Wetin happen?
He forced himself on me.
Yeah. Wetin that one come mean again? Talk am the way I go understand.
Denzel. Me.
Wetin? You do wetin? You! I no go gree for this one, oh. Go gree. I no go gree, oh. Ah, me, I no go gree for this one, oh. I no go gree for this one, oh. You son of Jezebel! Now here you dey. Now here you dey. Thunder go fire your generation. Thunder go fire you. So as you don't routine yourself finish, you don't routine your life finish, you won't routine my own picking joy. You dey craze. I mean, they sweat for you. They tell you say everybody go flog. As you dey flog all the girls when you see. You think they go feel. Wake up. You think you sleep. Wake up now today. Today I go deal with you. I go show you say that we gay street. I go show you say that we the wrong street. I mean, you say, as I dare you, they work for you, Papa. I be fool. Now today go no say, no be only person where game on the win case. I go lock you up. I go make sure you sleep on prison.
I beg, easy. They find who police go catch you. No, see, I beg.
You see that thing with your smelling mouth? Now today I go finish you. Idiot. Useless boy. Flogger. You go see. You go hear me today. Fit take this one. I no fit take this one. Anything wey won't happen, make it happen. I no fit take this one. I no gree. No cry again. No cry again. This one I go show am. Yeah. How you take open this your phone? Whether na diesel or na kerosene. Now today me and then go show ourselves. Never say I be mad woman. Hello, Oga, good morning. Good morning, Oga. Na me, Agatha. Oga, as I dey talk to you, we don dey comot for your house, so we no leave again. We don dey go. No be your pikin. No be your pikin. Your pikin force himself on my pikin. Which kind thing be that one? As I go dey talk to am, he come push me comot for your room. Oga, me I no go gree o. As we dey comot for your house, na. Na police station straight we dey go. I no go gree o. We go dig am this time, Oga. We go dig am o. I go report say I no get money, no mean say I no love my pikin. Say I no get money, no mean say I no know my right. I no go gree o. Ha! Oga, this one go hard me o. He go hard me o na because you never offend me before o. We dey wait. I no go gree o. I go show them this time. I go show them. Me, I go naked. Anyhow they want am, I go give them. Me, my bag of respect don't tear. It don't tear. Now. Anyhow they want am, I go show them. Waiting. They never say that empty boat. Now they push the one where full throw away for inside river. I go show them. Don't worry. Na poverty. No be their fault. But now poor I poor. I know craze. It's okay, my pikin, don't worry. Papa, they come. Papa, they come. Anyhow they want her, me, I go give them. Anyhow they want her. My bag of respect don't tear. It don't tear. Nah. I don't agree again. I don't agree again. Sorry.
Where is that rapist? You are a rapist!
What did I do?
I will not harbor a rapist in my house. Enough of your nonsense. It's not going to happen again. I cannot harbor a criminal in my house. Now, come here. Officer, get hold of this idiot. A thief! That's who you are. A criminal! Take him away! Move! What manner of child are you? You are nothing but a disgrace. I will not allow you to drag my reputation in the mud. I'm sorry, dear. Okay? I am very sorry. Sorry for what happened. Be rest assured that you are safe. Okay? He's going to rot in jail. It's a promise. Madam Agatha, I know how you feel. But please, forgive me. You know I'm a good man. You know I can never condone evil. Forgive me, okay?
Oga, you don't try. I don't feel lie for you. You don't try. You see this one where you just do na. You sweet me pass. So you carry this your pikin, give police, I like him. You be better man. That's why I always respect you. Because no be every rich man go fit carry him pikin, give police, sake of person wey no be anybody. Me, who am I? Oga, you don't try.
Madam, I am a man of integrity.
I see him.
I don't condone evil. I call a spade a spade.
I see him.
Nobody can drag my name in the mud. Not even that idiot that calls himself my son. It's not going to happen again.
Wahala.
Betty, I will take you to the hospital for a thorough examination. Please. Make sure you continue to work for me.
Oga, no wahala, because I respect you, I go fit stay. But make I just tell you, nothing go ever concern me and Diesel again for this house. Nothing.
It's okay. I think I'm okay with that. I'm sorry.
This one a better man. May they carry this useless pikin, eh? I don't know why rich men too they born useless pikin. May they carry and go kiri. Make it chop beats we no done well. It go begin hear word. Which can't it be this one? Every day, one trouble. Okay, don't bring water.
Thank you very much.
Yes,
I hope you've eaten.
I'll go eat my own after.
Okay. That reminds me, I haven't seen your daughter.
Oh, she don't go back school this afternoon.
Oh, that's good. My regards to her when you call her.
She go here, sir.
Thank you.
Yes, sir. Oga, I beg. You get waiting, I won't follow you talk.
Okay. I hope all is well.
No problem. Oga, now about your pikin, Denzel.
So, what is wrong with him?
Oga, beg. My people, they talk say, you know if you cut your laps through way because pikin shit on top of him. Then they also talk say, if you take one hand, beat pikin, make you use the other hand, draw him back.
Exactly.
I beg, Oga. It don't reach 2 weeks. When in day for inside prison yard. Oga, beg. Remember what you talk that day? Say wetin don't happen. Even if you stay inside prison yard for 1 year, wetin don't happen. Nobody fit change am. Oga, beg. I believe say he go don learn a lesson in a hard way. I believe say he go change if he come back. Oga, beg. Release and make it come home. I dey beg you. You don't show me say you sef, you know they support bad thing. And I like you for that one. I beg, Oga. I beg, release and come back home.
Madam Agatha, there is no need begging me. I'm a man of integrity. A strict disciplinarian. I don't condone such acts, okay? It's not going to happen.
Hey, but Oga, now you just talk na say you be man of you know that grammar where you just speak na. If you be man of integrity, it means say you sef you know they like the wicked people. Oga beg. I dey beg you. I beg release and come back home. You don't suffer. 2 weeks no be more.
Hey, please stop.
Oga,
Don't kneel for me, please. Don't. I told him he will be there for a month. He's going to be there for an additional 2 weeks. Okay? Nobody is going to change it.
Ha, Oga. But you say you be man of integrity.
Agatha,
Oga,
please,
beg.
Go, please. Allow me to eat. Go away.
Hey, Oga na me o.
Allow me eat.
Oga na me o. Betty, wetin happen? Why you dey cry? Huh?
Mommy, I can't find my period.
Wetin happen? Eh?
Mama, I can't find my period again.
Wetin do am? Why you keep am? Why you don't find am?
Mama, I'm pregnant.
Eh? You are what? You are what? Hey! Me, I don't agree again, no. I don't agree again, no. I don't agree this. I don't agree again. I don't agree. Oh! Hey! I don't agree again. I don't do again. What you have? Your son don't finish me.
What did he do?
Your son don't finish me. He don't give another belly. The daughter where they suffer. Oh, they suffer, this is my life. Not to make this girl make it better past me. Make life better, make life better for her. You begin to cause spoiler for me. Me, I don't agree.
Hold on, please.
I don't agree.
Betty. Is that true? I asked the question. Is that true?
Again. I want to tell something that answer question.
Please hold on.
You just had a lie.
Are you pregnant?
Yes.
For who?
Who can question me that one? They don't ask again. You just had a lie. Not be deserve. Oga, anywhere. I be mad woman. I go show you say I'm mad. After all, now I don't think for that money. And since when I done this, I never think. See the level where the level for this, I think it's better. You don't cause spoiler for me. I don't agree. My bag of respect don't tear. He don't tear.
So you go in there, have a thorough bath, and meet me downstairs. You heard me right? Denzel.
Sir.
There is a saying that one does not stop a child from growing bigger teeth, insofar as he can equally grow bigger lips to cover them. Over time, you've always told me that you have become a man. I think the time has come for you to actually prove that you are a man. Henceforth, Betty is your wife.
I don't understand. Is this a skit? I can't see the camera now. Are you doing comedy aside also now?
Call it whatever you want to call it. I have made my decision. Okay? This lady here is now your wife. By the time she puts to bed, we will go ahead with the traditional marriage rites.
Wait. Deliver, baby, marry. What is... I don't understand. I can't see camera now. Which skit are we shooting now?
Well, let me announce. Perhaps you do not know. Your penis have put you into trouble. The seed you planted is beginning to germinate. She's pregnant for you.
Daddy, how are you sure that I am the owner of this pregnancy? And I don't even think she's pregnant because it was just once and I didn't even do anything inside her. It's not possible.
That's why I said you're a fool. An idiot. That's what you are. How many times does it take to get a woman pregnant?
Okay. She's pregnant. Fine. But now forcing me to marry her. No. You can't come and impose wife for me. No, I'm not married.
Shut up! You don't have a choice.
This girl is lying now. She's not even a virgin.
I was a virgin until you abused me.
Now what is your business though? Daddy, see, I'm not going to marry her.
Will you just shut up? I took her to the doctor myself. It was confirmed she was a virgin before you abused her. You know the kind of father you have, right? I have made my decision. She is your wife. You must marry her. Betty, pick your things to his room.
If I see your smelly...
You dare not lay a finger on her. You dare not.
Come, see. You are a woman. Use your head. Oh. If I see your smelly body near me, you know me better. Now if you try it, I'll marry you.
I'm not ready for this. Mama, I'm not sure I want to do this. I can't marry him.
Yeah. See, I know say you know that you never ready. Even myself, I never ready. But as he be say, it don't happen, be say, it don't happen. You want one picking when no get papa.
It's not better like that. It's not better for the child to be fatherless than the child to have an abusive father.
I better leave it, Denzel. Now play, they play. Look, by the time you born this speaking for him, you go see say you go calm down.
You calm down. Until that time, you will not finally kill me.
Kill who? Make you try him now. Now you go fist kill him. See, now papa I dey respect you. Now papa I dey respect before God. Before God that man. If I don't buy that young man, where he be? Na rat killer now. Na rat killer go take now they go here. Peace, perfect peace. Now it be the end. Waiting. Kill who? Make you try him now. Make you try him. You go see madness. I go naked for market for him.
But, oh boy, you should not say you go. It has to come fresh. You can't even add.
I beg. You talk stupid thing for mouth all the time.
But wait, what happened? Why you divorce?
My popsy wants me to marry her.
Marry who?
The house help's daughter.
Wait. The same girl you slept with?
They mad. Which kind of stupid talk with that? Yes.
But what's going on? Because me, I know your dad won't just ask that of you without a cogent reason. What's up?
The girl come out, they talk say she's pregnant. They confirmed it. She's truly pregnant.
Oh my God! My guy is about to become a daddy. Wait.
I go break.
Wait now, calm down now. So me, I dey ready now to become a godfather, abi?
I go break up for your head though.
Sorry.
No try me. Which kind of stupid thing be this?
Denzel, I want to understand. What thing dey happen? Pikin no be bad thing now.
Like say you don't know say I won't come out this country next day.
Nah, they won't use one kind of stupid marriage to pin me down.
Yes, but you know me now. You go marry her, put her for house, leave her for house, travel.
Sometimes you dey get sense.
Listen, I tell you.
You go work.
Why not?
Now, wetin I go do without?
Enjoy your drink, Jare. Marry her, drop and find your way.
Idea.
Not today.
Nice one. I go marry him.
Ha! My guy.
You don't do it.
I chop knuckle now.
Why are you still awake by this time of the night? It has become imperative to once again admonish you. Every decision we make in life has its consequences. As a caring and loving father, I have made sure that you lack nothing. I have shielded you from the harsh realities of life. I gave you protection. But you allowed your lust derail you, thereby putting you in a tight spot. You must bear the consequences alone. It's your burden, you must carry it. But let me quickly tell you that it's not the end of the road. Okay? Betty is a very good girl with a promising future. She can be what you want her to be if you treat her well. I implore you, for the first time in your life, make your mother proud in her grave. You must not fail your father. You must not. Come. I love you, son. I love you.
And what the hell are you doing on my bed? Will you get your filthy body off this bed? Come on, get out of this place!
Where am I supposed to stay?
I don't care, sleep on the floor anywhere. That's where people like you, opportunists, that's where you deserve. Come on, get out of this place.
I can't stay on
I don't care, get out!
The floor is cold.
Come on, leave this place, Joe. You have the audacity to use my doing. Come on, Kelly, come on, leave this place. Nonsense. Because my father gave it. If you try it again, I'm going to even spray this bed. What are you trying to do? You better respect yourself.
You've got to mind the way you treat people. The way you treat people. No, you never know. No, you never know what the future holds.
Take drink more, drink more.
Your uncle Obike is taking a third wife.
I thought he had 3 already. That should be number 4.
Well, the second one left last month, so he's replacing her. Thank you, Agatha.
Yes, Oga.
I haven't seen my daughter-in-law today.
Oh. She go market. She go buy wetin she want cook for her husband.
I thought you cooked.
She say she won't cook for her husband by herself. Oh. She no wan make another person cook for her husband. You know, say I don't teach her. I don't teach her many things, Oga. I don't teach her how to show romantic to her husband. Oga, I don't also teach her how to pamper her husband, so that one go make her husband love her well. Because you know, say, men know they joke with their stomach.
Exactly.
So I don't really teach them that one.
I must say you taught her very well.
Thank you, Oga.
Yes. All right.
Thank you, Oga.
Son, you now have a woman who cooks for you. You know, it's quite funny, but it's a good development.
Thank you.
Betty, you are a great student. And only a great student strives to be better than his teacher.
Thank you, sir.
Good.
You see him? She here now. They tell you say Sabi cook pass me. Thank God Oga don't confirm him.
But my mommy, she cooks better than me.
I've tasted both. And I must say you are the best. Denzel, am I correct?
Yeah.
It's okay. Good.
You've got to mind the way you treat people. The way you treat people. No, you never know. No, you never know what the future holds.
Latest husband in town. How marriage life now?
Guy, this girl just dey make the whole thing difficult for me. Like, I want pursue am, but she just dey make am hard.
How?
You know, say this morning now, she just wake up, carry money, go market. Last night the money wake up to give her, go buy food stuff, cook. We wake up like this, just see food for the dining table. The other time too, wetin she do that day? Oh, she just arrange all the clothes for everybody room, clean the whole house. Oh, I come like
But nothing dey wrong with that now. No be waiting every wife where dem marry suppose dey do.
every wife wey dey marry well, no be the one wey dey lie say person give am belle.
Wait, make I understand this. Wetin be your problem like this now? Now the food which they cook, have waiting happen.
Let's say you don't understand what I talk. I know when my popsy go like and pass the way he like up. I know my popsy once he like person like this. Omo, I beg.
Then tell her now.
Eh?
Uh-huh.
Make I tell my popsy.
No, tell the girl.
Make I if I tell the girl go tell my popsy. I bet I know just I see anything the girl my popsy. I know want. I know just see. As I dey follow you talk now, I no wan go house. I just find e be like say I dey prison. I just wan find somewhere go.
Oh yeah now. We'll go cheap for caramel bar now. That place now, you know now.
You don't tell where I did that side.
Don't tell.
Oh.
Woo! Seat belt.
Now if you have to use that, leave am John.
Latest husband in town. Oh, I just envy you.
Are you okay? Is anything wrong? Hey, you're running temperature. Hold on. I'm coming. Let me get something. So you can eat and take your drugs. Just stand up. Stand up. Do you need help? Okay. Sorry. Here.
Betty, how you there now?
His temperature is getting better.
Don't worry yourself, you go fine. Yeah? I will make her quickly rush go market. Go buy something.
Okay.
Don't worry, go day okay, yeah? Do?
No. It's okay, you can sleep on the bed. It's fine. Thank you for looking out for me the other time. Can I ask you a question? Why are you kind? Like, I mean, I took advantage of you. Yes, obviously. I even denied a pregnancy when I know that you're a virgin, and I was forced into this marriage. I've shouted at you, I've cursed you, I made you sleep on the floor. I've done so many horrible things to you, but you're still very kind. What is there any reason?
My mom taught me that as a wife, your pride lies solely on how you treat and regard your husband. And a man's regard for his wife is dependent on how she respects and treats him. My dad was not always nice to my mom, but she never disrespected him. That's the kind of home I want for myself. See me now. I'm pregnant for you. But I can't do anything about it. Abortion is not a choice. And your dad has been very nice to me. He's been very nice to us. So, my only concern is the well-being of my unborn child and my husband.
We'll go for antenatal tomorrow morning. Get ready. I guess mom is not home yet. Do you want water?
Yes, please.
Okay, I'm coming. Is that okay? Sorry, Betty, I was thinking of something. I want you to go back to school after childbirth.
I can't do that.
Why? You don't want a degree again?
Of course I do.
So?
I can't do it immediately.
Why?
Because I'll need a few months at least to take care of the baby.
But mom is around now. She can help you with that.
I don't want to burden her with my issue.
Mom wouldn't see that as a burden now. In fact, she'll be happy doing that.
Still, I'll take care of the baby myself. I want him to grow very well.
Wait, when you say him, how do you know it's a boy?
It's what I want.
No, I want a girl though, please.
Why?
Because you as the mother, you're very beautiful. So if I have a girl that looks like you, that has your face, why not? Please, I want a girl though, should not be a boy. I want to get something upstairs, I'm coming.
Okay. Time on.
When I don't come back. Hey, welcome. No be small thing, no. You know, say, it good make person get money good, oh. If you carry money enter market, you go know say poverty na bastard. I buy today. It be like say make I carry the whole market come house. I can't enter line where they sell baby things, Now there I finish work. See, everything we did this bag. Now baby things full am. Betty. Wetin happen? Why your face be like this?
Denzel.
Wetin happen again? Wetin you don't do?
He was talking about how he wants me to go back to school after delivery.
That one good now. When you born finish, you continue your school. Me, I go look after the pikin.
No. I don't want anybody to look after my child.
Wetin that one come mean? No be my grandchild.
Mommy, I'll take care of the baby myself.
This motherhood they shock you. This motherhood they shock you. Take am easy. Anyway, see, everything we did here, I buy some things for you. You know all those things they call nursing mother's bra. I buy them for you.
I'm stepping out.
Denzel, come.
No problem.
Give me a minute, please. Sit.
Okay.
I have been informed that you intend to send Betty back to school after childbirth.
Yes. Is that not the right thing to do?
It's a welcome development. But if I may ask, what happens to the child? Who will take care of it?
We can always work something out now. There's mommy, or we can get a nanny. It's not a problem.
Why would you want her to get back to school?
Dad, if I remember clearly, you told me to take advantage of the situation. Fine. I have taken 1 year out of her life already, which is obvious. I can't give her back. She can't get it back. So it's just best that she picks up from, wherever she stopped after dropping the baby. Just after childbirth, let her just...
I agree with you. But
So?
I have this strong conviction that you're trying to get her out of your life. Am I right?
I'm not supposed to have this conversation with you anyways. Have a nice week.
Well done, sir.
Rodan, are you done with fixing my room?
Yes, sir.
Okay, thank you.
Oga, happy for you. I happy well for you.
Why?
Oga Denzel don't turn better pikin finish.
What makes you think so, Agatha?
Oga, this afternoon, Now so they help my pikin. That's why they follow everywhere. They help her do everything. They help her arrange. They help her. If you want drink water, you go give her. You want sit down, you go help her sit down. No be small thing, no. Oga, you don't even promise my pikin say if she born for and finish, she will go back school.
Interesting. And you think he's doing all of that for her sake?
Oga, wetin again go make her do that kind of thing? See, from wetin I dey see, your pikin don't fall into love with my own pikin.
You're very funny, Aga. You see, in as much as I want what you just said to happen, I will not risk trusting Denzel. He has to convince me, beyond all reasonable doubt, that he has changed. Only then will I begin to see him in that light. For now, it's not yet Uhuru. Excuse me.
Hey, no be small gbege o. Hey, Papa, no fit trust him pikin again. That one no good o. That's why they say this life no balance, you no balance at all. Wetin happen now?
My guy, you just forget me, you just abandon me.
Guy, no be so.
Life no be so.
Yeah, no be so.
I do you anything?
No.
No be so, guy.
What's happen?
Responsibility, you don't choke me.
Wait, you say?
You hear me now, responsibilities, guy.
So, some of us know they're responsible, Abi?
I no talk that one, no.
Well, anyway, why you know they come here again? Everybody just ask me, where your guy, where your guy, where your guy?
Me no vex. Me your guys say me they no vex. Them toasting and cook. Me they no vex. I get a woman with the expect picking fouls. I beg.
Hey, if like say you don't immerse yourself in this husband role.
Which I go do? I don't get choice now. Let's do
And it makes sense that I'm happy for you.
Thank you. You go reach your side too.
Well, but then here, you get to follow you talk.
Waiting so.
See, being responsible is not just about taking care of your pregnant wife. What about other things like actually working to fend for her instead of depending on your father for everything? Listen, I know even if you don't work for the rest of your life, you will not lack anything. But if you want the world to respect you, you need to rise above your father's name and start making yours. Even if it means starting from his company, that's not bad. After all, one day, you are still the one that will going to inherit it one day. So, me, I don't know, why not may just they look into the matter, or at least they learn the business more. Just reason I just give you 1 or 2 OT, if it makes sense.
Babe, what are you doing? I thought we agreed that you wouldn't do any stressful thing again till you give birth. Come.
Nobody was around now, so I got bored and so let me just
Sit down. Where have you mopped? Okay, remains here. Okay.
Where did you go? All dressed like this.
Oh, I went job hunting.
So how did you go?
They said they'll get back to me. I'm just very hopeful.
I'm sure you'll make your father proud.
I'm doing this for myself and for you, not just for my dad alone.
But come to think of it, why not just ask him if you could work under him? Yes. You could be the one to run his company later on. And there's no better person, if you ask me, that will be a better mentor other than him.
Okay. Okay.
Love is patient, love is caring, love opens up all doors, love opens up all doors. Love is endearing, love is supporting, love opens up for more. With just a little bit of time, just a little bit of time, everything aligns. With just a little bit of time, just a little bit of time, everything aligns. There's a breeze of love. 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 A breeze of love. There's a breeze of love. There's a breeze of
Good morning, son. How are you? Where are you going?
I'm going to work with you, sir.
What work?
I'm following you to work, sir.
Listen, I am not ready for your dry jokes this morning, okay?
Daddy, I'm serious.
You want to do this?
Yes, sir.
Oh, come on. Thank you so much. I'm impressed. So I'm taking you to the office. I will introduce you to my staff. You know, they have a new boss. Let's go. Agatha, how are you?
Oh, you're welcome, sir.
Thank you.
How work today?
Work was
Good
fine.
evening, ma'am.
Welcome.
What are we having for dinner?
Okay, I made semo with okra soup, your favorite.
Please, where's my wife?
Oh, she did in her room.
Okay.
Okay, go see her.
Thank you.
Oh, girl. You know here waiting I hear.
What did you hear?
He called me mom.
Agatha, today has been different. Please, set up the dining.
Okay, sir. Hey, senior, me Agatha, house girl, now mom. Hey, this one a new level.
Welcome.
Thank you.
How was work?
Work was fine, but I guess I was in a bad place today.
It's okay. I understand. Don't worry, you get used to it.
I hope so.
And I'm sure that your dad is happy.
I guess. I hope.
Okay. Okay, freshen up. Let me set the table.
No. Let mommy do that.
We've both agreed that nobody's cooking for my man.
Let mommy just do it. You're almost due. See the way
It
you are.
doesn't matter. Doesn't matter. I'll freshen up. You meet me downstairs.
Wait,
Let me
Joe.
go. Let me go.
Thank you for coming into my life.
There is this project the company intends to inspect in Abuja before purchasing it.
Okay.
And I have a meeting with the deputy governor. So I don't think I can make it.
Wow. So what are you going to do about it now?
Well, trying to see if I can ask Mr. Brown to represent us.
Why are you asking Mr. Brown when I'm here? I can do it now.
Yes, but only if it's fine by you.
Of course. It's fine by me. Okay, that's good. I will inform Beatrice to book your flight.
Oh. It's not a big deal. I'm working for my dad, so.
I must say you're beginning to impress me. I'm happy.
At least I'll use that one to see my friends in Abuja, so.
I know Abuja is a very,
I know. I know.
so don't go out late.
I won't. Yes, mommy.
Okay.
Now I miss you.
I'll miss you. Also,
Enough, Betty. It's okay. You're missing him already. You just have to let him be. He's a man. Else he will become a boy again.
true.
So, take care of yourself, son.
Yeah, Daddy, please. Leaving Betty in your hands. You and mommy. Please take care of her.
She's in
And
safe
take care of
hands.
yourself too.
I will.
Right. I'll call you once I get to Abuja.
All right. Have a safe trip.
Thanks, sir.
Betty, thanks for making my son a man.
Daddy, he has always been a man.
Let's go inside. What is it? Are you okay?
Daddy, my tummy.
Agatha! Agatha!
Hold on. Please come.
Daddy.
I think she's in labor.
Betty.
Hold on, let me get my cat.
Sorry, my daughter. Yeah, breathe with your mouth. Breathe with your mouth. Sorry now. Sorry. Breathe with your mouth. Sorry.
Hello, son.
Dad, how are you? I called you when I got here, but you didn't answer.
I'm not fine, son. I'm just coming from the hospital.
Hospital? What's the problem, Dad? Is my wife alright? Because I've called her as well and she's not picking.
Betty was rushed to the hospital immediately you left. She's been in labor for 7 hours.
Oh my God. How's she, please? How's the baby?
I have bad news, son. They didn't make it.
Oh, 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 oh. Yeah.
Daddy, where's Betty? Where's my wife?
Got to mind the way you treat people.
Daddy, talk to me now. Where's Betty? Mama, answer me now. Where's Betty? Where's the grandchild? Daddy, what's going on now? Talk to me now. Where's Betty? Mama, where's Betty? Somebody should answer me now. Where's Betty?
So they tell me, oh. That's what they tell me, sir. My pikin don't die.
Daddy, is it true?
You've got to mind the way you treat people. The way you treat people. No, you never know. No, you never know what the future holds.
Son, you can't continue like this. I understand that you are heartbroken. We all are. I've always dreamt of becoming a grandfather. But I cannot question God's decision. Get out of this mood, okay? It's detrimental to your health. I am certain that wherever she is, she must be, proud of you.
I felt my life was taking shape with her.
Your life has taken shape, my son. Do yourself a favor by coming out of this mood.
She's supposed to be here.
She will always be by your side forever. She loved you,
I just feel irresponsible. I was not there with her.
It's okay. Trust me.
Oga, how in there?
Not good.
Hey. I know say na like this e go be. I know say not like this it could be. Because he don't love my pikin well. See now, for this, person never chop. Person never chop. The one where they go begin chopping skin in flesh now. Which kind of wahala come be this one? Good morning, my pikin. How you dey?
Fine.
Sure you sleep well? I like the way you look. You look sharp this morning, yeah?
Yes, thank you, ma'am. Good morning, sir.
Okay, good morning, sir.
Good morning, Agatha. Are you all right?
Yes, sir. Can we go, sir?
I'll join you shortly. What is going on, Agatha?
Maybe he don't they do what he tell him yesterday.
What did you ask him to do?
You know that time I go up go meet him. So I can't tell him say, what he go do now be say, make you dey live in life. If you dey live in life, even in wife, where she dey, when she see say, he don't dey live in life, she self go happy. And what I tell her that yesterday.
Don't you think that young man has moved on?
No, I don't think so.
Don't be hasty in drawing conclusions. Let's just watch and see.
Okay.
Have a nice day.
Oh, bye-bye.
Who's this? Kara, what are you doing here?
Baby. Is that how you welcome your girlfriend that you haven't seen in so long?
Kara.
I came to see you. I've missed you so much.
Kara, this is my father's house. Okay?
Your father's house?
Yes.
Is this not the same house we've done everything everywhere?
Kara, hold on. Kara. Things are different now, okay? I'm a married man. What is funny?
Jazzy, you're married.
Yes.
See, that's not going to chase me away. You need to come up with something better.
Kara,
baby.
Please. Kara, see, I had a long day at work, okay? And I want to rest. Please,
and the perfect thing for that rest.
Kara, please. Kara, please, just leave. Yeah? Please.
Denzel.
I'm sorry, but please.
You want me to leave your house?
You can as well just leave my life, okay? Please. Yes, please leave.
My pikin.
Mommy.
Why you won't come down and eat now?
Mommy, I'm not hungry yet.
Which one be say you not hungry? What's happen?
Mommy, were you the one that allowed Kara to come inside?
No be the same Kara when make you tell me say make I kneel down. Mommy. Old woman like me, you look me finish, say make I kneel down.
Mommy.
I know what happen that time.
It's okay. Mommy, please. You see that girl? I don't want to see her in this house again. I don't want to see her close to me. I don't want her in my life. In fact, if I'm inside, if I'm in the room, and you see her, don't let her come in.
You sure?
I will tell the gate man as well. Please.
Now I want to be wahala now. You know what I feel do now. I beg, come make you come eat your food. You see this food right good. Now your favorite oh. I prepare and well. If you see the things we put inside, you are not going to suffer like that. You cook for nothing, no.
Mommy, I'm not hungry yet.
Me, I no gree. I no come up for this place. If you no follow me, you can't chop that food.
Alright. Yeah, Mommy, let's go.
You just say, go follow me now.
Mommy,
If I reach there and no see you, I go come back up. Now, begin you enter so.
Mommy, let's go. Am I seeing this?
It's me. It's me. It's me.
Dad, what?
Like this. Don't become grandpapa. Me, I don't become grandmama. May we call my picky husband now. May we tell about the good news.
I will. But I have an idea.
What's be that?
Agatha, what makes you think that my son is interested in this marriage with your daughter? Because I have a feeling that the young man is trying to play ball in order to make me sponsor his trip abroad.
No, no. See this one. I feel swear for him. Your pikin love my daughter. I love him well. You know say no they stay for house. Now me did this house and know what him I take my eyes see. Two them be like 5 and 6 together like this. Then they gum potty every time.
Then allow me find out myself, okay? I have a plan. Yes.
What's be the plan?
I will tell my son that Betty and the child did not make it.
Huh?
Shh. Calm down. There's no cause for alarm. Okay? And if, after a while, he moves on with his normal life, then I will know that he's lying. But if he doesn't, I will know he has changed. It's a good idea. You need not fear.
Oh God, this one go hard though.
Yeah, it's not going to be difficult.
This one go hard. It go hard. That person go carry bad thing they lie that can lie. That one expensive lie, yo. Okay, Oga. Even if I agree, make we run am. If you tell your pikin, and he agree, wetin we go come tell Betty, we go make am agree.
Forget about Betty. I will talk to her myself. Hello, son. I'm not fine, son. I'm just coming from the hospital. Betty was rushed to the hospital immediately you left. She's been in labor for 7 hours. I have bad news, son. They didn't make it. She persuaded me every day to put an end to it. But I wanted to be cocksure. I wanted to be very sure that you've changed. Until that girl came here.
What? You brought her here too?
So we paid her to seduce you.
You paid her to seduce me?
Now your papa idea be that one.
You see, Denzel, I have been through a lot because of you. Okay? But this time around, I wanted to ascertain the genuineness of your repentance. Not just for me, but for Betty and the baby.
Babe, how are you?
I'm fine now.
Can I?
Yeah, me daddy.
God, she looks like you.
She looks like you.
No, she has your face. Just let's go inside, please. Let's go inside.
I tell you, see,
No,
your pikin don't change. You know, see, love.
I believe you.
You know, see, as they leave us, they don't leave us, so they don't go. I'm happy for you.
You called me.
Yes, sit.
How is she?
Yeah, she's sleeping. What is it?
I called you for something very important. You've been able to convince me beyond all reasonable doubt that you've become responsible again. And I have seen your willingness to take care of your family. And therefore, I have made a decision which I think is pertinent to get an apartment for you, because both of you deserve your privacy.
Wow. Dad, 3 of us actually.
Absolutely. Absolutely.
You did correct.
Yes. Betty, your coming into my family at first was not palatable. But in all honesty, it has turned out to be a blessing in disguise. And I must say that I'm very happy.
Yeah.
Thank you for coming into my family. The family is blessed to have you. You're welcome. So I have gotten a place at the end of the estate. Yes. A very deserving apartment for both of you. Yes. I don't want you to be far from us so that we can easily stroll in anytime we want to.
Abby.
Thank you, sir.
Dad, you. Thank you. Thank you, Dad. Okay, but before we move in, there is something I need to do.
Okay.
Okay. I need to pay a bride price and marry her officially.
Hey, my son, God will bless you. Hey, my daughter, Betty, I'm happy for you, oh. Hey, so like this, you don't become Mrs. Somebody. Hey, Oga, thank you, sir. Thank you, sir.
Denzel, your father is happy with you. I am happy. My son has become a man at last.